Hello and welcome. Today we will do a short meditation on manifestation. This manifesting meditation will allow you to amplify your attracting power. You will align yourself with the loving energy of the universe so that you manifest the changes you desire. Practice it while sitting or lying down in a comfortable, quiet space. Make yourself completely comfortable now and make sure that you will not be disturbed. The ability to manifest lies within every one of us. All it takes is learning simple techniques in mindfulness, though things like meditation is to awaken this power. Contrary to popular belief, meditation is not about completely clearing your mind. We have a mind for a reason. Meditation is training your mind to perform exactly how we intend to do, instead of allowing the mind to drag us around. The most helpful thing that all of us have access to at any time is our breath. Our breath has been there since the moment we are born, and every day it is keeping you alive. So by honoring our breath, when we are ready to set intentions, creates a very powerful experience. Begin by setting the intention to manifest the changes you desire. Say to yourself, now, I manifest the changes that I desire. Let's honor our breath now by taking 5 significant and dedicated breaths. 1. Fully inhale, expanding your belly and chest as much as you can, holding it for a moment, and exhale, feeling a wave of relaxation sweep over you. 2. Inhale, feeling the entire breathing system with fresh oxygen. Hold it and exhale. Notice again that wave of relaxation gently sweeping over you. 3. Inhale so deeply that you are brimming with air. Taking a moment at the top to soaking in the life force we call oxygen. And exhale, noticing your body relaxing in many areas without any effort from you. 4. Inhale, expanding your whole body as much as you can, holding it for a moment, and exhale, feeling another layer of relaxation sweep over you. Inhale, feeling the entire breathing system with fresh oxygen. Hold it and exhale, noticing again that wave of relaxation gently sweeping over you. Repeat this line in your mind. I manifest the changes that I desire. I am a magnet to attract my desires being manifested. My mind is ready to attract and change my thoughts into reality. My heart is receptive to good wishes, gifts, and blessings. I manifest my dreams, career, wealth, relationships, and prosperity in abundance. I welcome this change in my life.